All right, team. Now what we're going to do is going to go ahead and ring out a smartpay transaction. This is very simple. So what we go ahead and do is we select the plan that we're going to get. All right, remember, we have to do a manual activation on every single account with smartpay that goes with the plan. So even if we do our basic $15 track phone plan, I'll go ahead and add this here. You know, choose whatever basic plan they want to go on. Process that information. We're going to have the hand type the plan value. So that was a $15 plan. We'll add the activation in there as well. And then we're going to do for phone, we're going to do order phone. Alright. Now with SmartPay, again, you can finance anything. Once this tab pops up, let SmartPay stand. Process device is 230 and they got a package. Every phone should have a package. Let's say you got a Diamond 399. We're going to go ahead and keep this there. Boom. So the total is $384.99. Now all of this is going to be put into the SmartPay section when we close out here. Zero out Progressive, and for SmartPay we're going to go ahead and add $384.99. Mistake, $384.99. All right, now the balance zero. Once we hit OK, we're going to be asked for the SmartPay lease number. At the end of the SmartPay transaction, once the payment has been verified, you will get that number, and then that's it. You're good to go.